Hey everyone, welcome back to another amazing JS tutorial. And in my last video you saw how to use if-else statement. In that video you saw how you can have one condition and you can show something based on that condition, whether that condition is true or false. You have some output. So what if you have multiple conditions, like you have condition A, B, C, and then based on those conditions you want to output different things, different function. So in this video I'm gonna teach you that. So before that I'm gonna write this comment. This is if else if statement. This is as easy as it sounds. So here I'm gonna have a condition, and the way you can do that is write if, and here I'm just gonna assume the condition is true and write true over here. And for that I'm gonna write CLG then tab. Where is CLG? CLG then tab, and I'm gonna write option A, and here I'm just gonna have another else, not else, I'm gonna have else if, and I will have another condition. Let's just assume the condition is false, so let's just write false, and here I want to output option B. So here I'm going to copy this line and move this line over here. So that just took only half of a second. So that is something that you can do with Visual Studio Code. This is a shortcut. So you can just learn the shortcut. So all you have to do, you have to press Alt then Shift then the down arrow key, the down arrow key, and that will copy the line. So copy the line, and if you want to move the line, all you have to do is press Alt plus down arrow, and that will make you move the line. So I just copied the line over here, and if I just change this to option B, so that seems nice. And I want to have another option. So for that I want to write else if, and let's just assume this option is false as well. So let's just write false, and here I'm just gonna copy this line again, move this line here, and make this one option C. So I haven't saved this file. You can see the round white circle over here. The moment you press Ctrl plus S, it will be saved, and this round white circle will be gone. But before that, let's just go through this. What happened over here? The first condition is true, and we have another two conditions which are false. This one is false, this one is false. So for this I had the output of option B, and for this I had the output of option C. But as the condition in the first one is true, we will see the output of options A. So let's just save this one, and you can see over here we have the output of option A. But suppose the first one is false and the second one is true, so we will see option B, and vice versa. If the second one is false as well and the third one is true, then we will see option C. So that's how you can work with if else if statement. You just have, if you have different condition and you want to output different things based on those conditions, then you can use this. This is pretty handy, and just keep this in mind as well. These two shortcuts are very important when you are dealing with multiple lines and you are just copying lines, moving lines. This can come handy, and you can use this to save time a lot in Visual Studio Code. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.